Kaba, and today I'm showing you how to install TWRP material design recovery for your Android One device. So for you installing this and material design TWRP recovery, you need to have root access and the recovery file, which I give the link in the description box, and also the application called Flashify. So click on the Flashify, and here I choose my material design TWRP Play Edition Android One zip. Click on that and flash it. And reboot now. So this is rebooting, and you see it's flashing with my ordinary TWRP recovery, and after this my phone is rebooting again. See, my phone is rebooting into normal mode, and after this I'm showing you material design TWRP recovery. So be patient guys, this just rebooted now. So it's rebooted. So now I am reboot to recovery. So for this I am using the quick boot application. Click on the recovery, and I just give the permissions to the quick boot. Just grant it. So you must have root access to flash this ROM. So click on the quick boot. I given the link in the description box for these two applications also. Click on recovery. So if it doesn't work, I am showing you how to get in the manually. So first of all, power off your phone. Power off your phone. After powering off, press power and volume up button at the same time, just like this, and you get in this menu. And in this menu, let me just zoom in. My camera is not focusing on, sorry guys. So choose here recovery and press volume down. When you click on volume down, this might go to the, you see this is the Android One material design TWRP recovery. You see all the things change here. Install, this is, you can also see the battery percentage, time, you can wipe data from here, all the things here. It's fully material design, you see, fully material design. Backup, restore, mount, file manager. There's a file manager also. The file manager is also fully redesigned by the team Win. Copy log to SD card, fix permission, terminal command, ADB solid load. You can also change the colors here. There's a themes, use ROM file manager, use function for list. Good feature here. Wipe, backup, you can take your system backup from here. Restore, you can restore your backup from here. Mount, you can mount your SD card from here, and everything is there. Reboot system is there, reboot to system, recovery, bootloader, theme, you can change theme also. You can install more themes from the XDA. I given the link in the description box for this theme, and I also give the link of the recovery. You can flash it and enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope I will see you in my next video, and hit like, hit subscribe to my channel.